Welcome! Let's have a look at how you can import your client's data from QuickBooks Online or Xero. In the Data page, select the platform that you want to import from. In this demo, we're importing from QuickBooks. Enter your login credentials. Connect to the data source. Then select Import. Once the import's complete, you can view the data from the Accounts tab. Here we've imported year-end balances, groupings, and transactions from QuickBooks. Note that the balances for accounts or groups that include transactional data display in blue. Thanks for watching.